If this found you on December 9th, then this reading is for you. This is a synchronicity that this found you. This is meant for you. And your spirit guides are rejoicing that this has finally found you. Okay, let's talk about what's going on in your life right now. I'm seeing the Four of Pentacles, okay? I split the deck and these are the two cards that were sitting there. So we have the Four of Pentacles. This is making me feel like, I don't want to say penny pinching, but it's that kind of energy to where we feel like things are scarce right now. It's a scarcity mindset. And I just want to say, when you have this scarcity mindset, like things are going to run out, then you're vibrating at that frequency, which brings more of that into your life. So I feel like we're wanting a change, but we have to change within ourselves first. I am seeing the Two of Swords here, so it makes me feel like there's two big decisions that we have. These decisions are something that they're weighing on us. It's like, I could go this way or I could go this way. And it's an emotional burden to carry. We don't know which one is the best option. So we are like, this is too big of a decision. So I'm gonna throw it on the back burner and I'm gonna procrastinate making a decision. And I'm just gonna keep on living life this way because I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna stay stuck in my reality, okay? So if that sounds like you, then this reading is definitely for you. This is what I feel going on in your energy. Now, the first thing that you have to realize is that it doesn't have to be this way, okay? It's not about making a decision, it's about making an aligned decision. So throw logic out the window for a little bit, because I think some of you guys are like, I wanna, figure out what to do, but I'm not sure which is the best option. You need to energetically align with the reality that you're wanting, and when you can do that, then the option, the pathway that'll best suit you will light up with bells and whistles. So if you don't feel like abundantly clear on which path to take, it's because you're not energetically aligned with the reality that you're wanting. You're energetically aligned with the scarcity mindset still. So what can we do to help align us with this abundant mindset? Right? Because that's what we're ultimately wanting. We're wanting an avenue that will lead us to abundance so we can get the freedom that we're wanting, the freedom to be able to do whatever we want with nothing holding us back. We want to be limitless. We want to be, boundless. So how can we get in that frequency? Well, I feel like for a while, I feel like for a lot of you guys, there is an opportunity that will present itself after you get into alignment with this energy. So you can think about other things that are very abundant, such as sunshine. There's an abundance of sunshine, right? There's an abundance of oxygen. There's an abundance of water. Things that the planet already possesses that there is an abundance of. Maybe if you look outside at your grass, there's an abundance of grass. You got to think about things that there's abundance of and get into the frequency of abundance. Whenever you can do this, you will start vibrating differently, and everything else that matches that abundant frequency will start showing itself to you. And before you know it, you'll have the abundance that you are looking for. But in order to get there, you have to get rid of the scarcity mindset, okay? Now, I know this time of year can be hard. I'm posting this, in the end of the year. We have Christmas. We have all these things coming up that we feel like we have obligations for. So, just get through this. And I feel like by February, you're going to start seeing a lot more abundance in your life. And that will prepare you for next year, next December, okay? So, in 1 year from now, I feel like your life will be completely different by just doing these basic principles, okay? Let me know if this helped, if it resonated. Also, if you like this deck, this is my own personal deck I made. It's in the TikTok shop, so if it interests you, go ahead and get your deck before they are all sold out, because I'm not gonna be getting any more of these, okay? I'll see you guys next time.